What is up, everybody? I just wanted to give a quick recap here in 2 minutes of the hour-long webinar that Keith Geringer and I taught today to realtors nationwide. And it was Chet Holmes' Dream 100 concept. And really, we kind of latched onto it once Russell Brunson broke it down and kind of taught and wrote out in all of his books really what that Dream 100 concept is. But in a nutshell, and we will be reteaching the class, so don't worry that this video is super short. This is just kind of really just a high-level overview. But the Dream 100 is basically, one, finding exactly what your perfect customer looks like, and then figuring out where do those people hang out online, where do they hang out offline, and in addition to where do they hang out, who do they follow, right? Who are the influencers that they follow? Quick example, if you are a real estate agent and, maybe your favorite coach might be Tom Ferry. If Tom Ferry endorses anybody, whether it be a lender, whether it be, somebody that is selling some sort of system or a product, that endorsement from Tom Ferry doesn't mean you're automatically going to go work with that lender or go buy some sort of service that he's endorsing. However, the likelihood of you doing that increases it. So for me as a lender, somebody like Tom Ferry would be in my Dream 100 because I know he can put me in front of thousands and thousands of real estate agents, for example. Same thing goes for the financial planners that we partner with. There's some very influential people, obviously, in the finance space. Even as high as if we're talking about Tony Robbins and some of the stuff that he does. These are the kind of people that can put you in front of thousands and hundreds of thousands of people, right? So when we're talking about shifting environments, low inventory, rates that are increasing, the number one thing we can do right now, get out there, create opportunities. There's everybody out there is potential. You look out your window, you look around your house, whether it be, the HVAC or it be, we had, somebody in our group closed 8 loans, in 1 month, all from termite inspectors. I can pretty much guarantee nobody's out there taking termite inspectors to lunch and overlooking all these missed opportunities because we feel like we're confined to one space. So get out there, know that everybody's an opportunity. We will be teaching the Dream 100 class again. It's probably my favorite topic to discuss. So I'll keep you posted on when that's going to be, and have an awesome night.